Hi guys, how are you all?
Oh, hi. I just got my pre-cal test results back.
How was it, man?
Oh, I got 101, but she just curved everyone, they curved everyone's scores. So everyone who got over 100 just got 105.
Oh, nice, good, right? So where did you miss maybe that 105?
I there was one where we were recording like the domain of a function. There were supposed to be two unions because there was a hole in the range, but I forgot to put two unions.
Okay. That's okay. I don't think, I mean, conceptually you might have been good there, but might have missed it, right? Or
Yeah, I
what?
just forgot to put the second union.
Okay.
And there was one where I forgot to put like f of x equals. And so she took off like 1 point for not putting in a function notation.
Oh, I see. I see. I see. How about you, Anya? How are you doing?
It's Ahana, but I'm good.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, Ahna. I get confused between you. Similarly, there was a problem with another brother's last class. I was calling the brother. Sorry about it.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm good.
How are the pre-cal classes at school? Doing good?
Yeah, no, it's good. She's very strict about function notation. Like if you don't put it in function notation, she counts the entire problem as incorrect. But
I
yeah,
see. I see. Have you started dealing with binomial theorem?
I don't think so.
Okay, I wanted to go over binomial theorem today, and what was the last one we went over? Hey, Nidhi, can you send in your sequence?
Which one?
Um, 1 second, let me see. What is the sequence for you at school, right? If you can let me know,
Oh,
that so
uh,
much.
I don't know. We don't have access to the calendar or anything.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
I
they
don't have
didn't.
so I don't have like a roadmap of like where we're of like the order that we're gonna go in.
Okay. So you don't have it. That's okay. Vibha, thanks for sending it across. Can we go over binomial theorem today? And then after going through binomial theorem, what shall we do? We will do some translation dilation functions. But having said that, right, I really want to see, meaning honestly, what did we do last week in this class? I'm just getting confused between the two classes. Just 1 second, guys. I have my notes too. I'll just take it up. Uh, see, translation dilation we've covered. So we did not cover, we did not cover slant asymptotes, we went over dilations, but I have not covered the binomial theorem at all, and we can do some reviews on this unit as well. Okay, let me go ahead. I really want function modeling, we did not cover. Whether it is a part of your school or not, I want to cover that. Okay, let me see. Function modeling I'll do, but before that, let me cover binomial theorem, guys. Okay, I think that's quite important. Okay, so let's go over this. Where is my notes? Oh, okay. Okay, how about this? How do you do this one? Do you know how to do this one?
Oh, wait, I think we did this like last unit. That's part of what we were tested over.
Okay, so how do you do this one?
Well, it's just x plus y to the power of 2. So the coefficients are just 1, 2, 2, 1.
The coefficients are 1, 2, 2, 1. Good job. So this will be x square plus 5x. See, but you can't keep on doing like this, right? Because see, x square plus, this would be x square plus 10x plus 25. So if I give you x plus 5 times x plus 5 plus x plus 5, how will you do this?
can we do the first two and then the next one or no?
It's going to become harder, right? If I add it like this. You know what? To handle this, have you discussed Pascal triangle in class, Nidhi? Have you discussed?
Yeah, to some extent.
Huh?
To some extent, yeah.
To some extent, okay. So coming to these, right? Going on multiplying binomials. What is a binomial? Two terms, two terms, two terms, two terms. Multiplying binomials, right? It's extremely hard if the powers go up and up and up, right? So this mathematician Pascal came up with a discovery for this. Pascal's triangle. Okay. So let's go ahead and try this one. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. See how easy it is. How do I write this? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Any questions here? How I got it? Biba, are you following how we got it?
Yeah.
Got it, Biba?
Yeah, you just like add it, right? From the
It's not hard at all. Meaning I want you to find it out too. So 35. See, it's a moreover, it's symmetrical. Did you see that? It's interesting. You see, it's symmetrical. You see?
yeah.
It's very symmetrical. See, there are so many things, so many good things about this Pascal triangle. Okay, whatever is covered for pre-calc is what I'm going to cover. Okay, when it comes to competitive math class, we cover this Pascal triangle in a very different way. Okay, for now, let's go ahead and do. Suppose, let's say I have x plus 2 times x plus 2, the whole square. You know, this starts with 0, 1, 2, 3. I write it like this. Okay, if I want to expand a binomial to power 2, right? I go and hide. Okay, I start with 1, 2, 1. These will be the coefficients. Okay, now please remember, I take this as a plus b. Let's say this is a, this is b. Okay, a plus b the whole square. If it is a plus b the whole square, you know what I do? I know the coefficients now. Okay, now a will be to its highest power, b will be to its lowest power. Then I go on decreasing the power of a, increasing the power of b. Okay, so this is what I'll end up with. Did you guys get it? At the end, b will have its highest power, a will be at its lowest power. Any questions here? Now, please don't feel lazy about writing this first step. Write it down. Anything power 0 is 1. So this becomes 1a square plus 2ab plus 1b square. But what is this a and b? X, right? I need to substitute. So 1x square plus 2 times x times 2 plus 4. X square plus 4x plus 4. Did you guys get it? This was a very simple one. I could have multiplied, okay? But it is extremely useful when it comes to higher powers. Can I erase this? I'll erase this. I'll erase whatever is not required. Okay, I'm maintaining the Pascal triangle, okay? How about this? Yashita, are you here? Now
Yeah,
let's x plus 2 power 5. Can we expand this? I'll do it myself, ma. Maybe after 2 problems, I'll ask you to do. Can I go ahead and do? Okay, so the fifth one. Okay, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Does it make sense till now? I just wrote these. Now I'll go with the highest power of x, lowest power of y, b. Then x power of 4, 2 power of 1. X power of 3, 2 power of 2. X power of 2, 2 power of 3. X power of 1. See, I should not get confused, please. 2 power of 4. X power of 0, 2 power of 5. Any questions still here? Any questions still here? Guys, any questions still here? Hey, girls, you have to tell me, right? Okay, can I move on? Now 2 power of 0 goes off. So this is x power of 5 plus 5 times 2 times x power of 4 plus I won't feel lazy, okay? I don't want to make mistakes here. I will rewrite how many ever times I want. 2 is 4, 4 is 8, 80, right? 80 x power of 2 plus 2 to the 4, 4 is 8, 8 is 16 times 5 is what? 80, right? 80x plus 2 to the 4, 4 is 8, 8 is 16, 16 is 32. Now I'll rewrite this as x power of 5 plus 10x power of 4 plus 40x cube plus 80x square plus 80x. Then what? Plus 32. Any questions, guys? Any questions?
No.
Would you like to do one now?
Yeah, can we?
Sure. Let me see. I don't want to erase the Pascal triangle though. If you can write out your own Pascal triangle, I would be happy to, but for now, I don't mind helping you. That's so very useful, ma. So let's see this one. To whatever level pre-calc is covering, I'm covering that. Okay, I'm not going any further into this. Okay, how about this? Let me ask you this. Current representation, binomial theorem. Okay, how about this? 2x plus 3. I don't want that difficult one. X plus 5 power 5. X plus 5 power 5. Let me write it down. X by y, I'm not able to write. X plus 5 power 5. With this, right? Can you educate me on? I don't want you to expand, okay? Find the third term or okay, find the third term. This one, try to find the third term. Find the third term. You don't have to go to everywhere. But this one as well I'll do. Next one I'll ask you to do maybe. I'll circle this. 10 will be my coefficient. But for the third term, the power was 5 here. X power was 5 here, 4, 3. So this one goes to the power of 3. This one has to fill in the other power. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 10 times 25 times x cube. So this is 250 x cube. Any questions here? Did you have any questions?
No.
Nidhi, you have any questions?
No.
What you, Yashita?
Oh, I get it.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you a question. I think I've given you enough. X minus 2 power 7, find the fourth term. X minus 2 power 7, find the fourth term. Vibha, did you get it?
Yeah, I understand.
Can you find the fourth term? It is raising my hand. AI is sometimes bad. Minus 2 power 7, find the fourth term. Guys, send it to me. If you don't know as well, let me know that you didn't know. Vibha doesn't tell me that it is right, but I don't mind doing it on the board. What did you get? Nidhi, that's right. Yes, it can be, ma. Yashita, that is indeed right.
Yeah, I read it as x minus 5.
Oh, I see. Do you want to redo, Vibha?
Can I redo it real quick? I was confused. I got such a big number. I wrote an x minus 5.
No problem, ma. Take your time. Seriously easy if you do it the right way. Correct, ma. Vibha, is it minus or plus, ma?
Oh, it's minus.
That's
Sorry.
correct, ma. Nidhi, correct. Ahana, do you want me to do?
With the whole, I got the whole long equation, but I don't understand what you mean by find the fourth term. Is it just the fourth one or?
Yeah, just the fourth term. Ma, you don't have to go to expanding everything. Ahana, correct. X power of 4, ma. It's not just x, right? The coefficient was correct. Ahana. This is it, right? So this would have been x power of 7, x power of 6, x power of 5, x power of 4, right, ma?
Oh, okay. So, but I got the right
Yeah,
number.
you got it right. The only thing was minus 280 x power of 4. That's all.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now let me move on. How about this? Yeah, that's the easy part of this. Okay, how about this? Um, how about this? Yeah, I should give you this. Okay, how about this? Maybe one or two more, then we'll move on. Okay, I'm not going to do more. How about this? Got it, guys? I don't know what is the answer to. Nidhi, correct. Ahana, that seems to be a little too much. I think you're going for the next term, I feel. The term, Rama. See, fifth term, na, see, 8, 7, 6, 5, power should be 4, right? Start from 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, right, Ahana?
Oh, okay, okay.
No worries. Did you get it, Ma?
I think I sent it.
Yashita, did you miss a 0? Vibha, that is incorrect, Ma.
Oh, yeah, I forgot the 0 after the 7.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Vibha, do you want me to?
Oh, I think I put the previous term. You guys multiplied it. Wait, I think I
Yes.
just multiplied it wrong.
No,
Wait,
no.
it's the 70, right? That's what the binomial theory would have, right?
Our 8, right? So you want me to write it down quickly?
Yeah, is it
I
70?
honestly don't know, Ma. Let's see. 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1, then 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1, 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more I need to go, right?
I sent you a new answer. Is that right?
I don't know. If you get it, I'm going to move on because everybody got it. Yes. Can I move on?
No, I just multiplied it completely. I like forgot to add a 3.
No problem. We'll just move on. Okay. I got it. Now, what is the next one I should do? Okay. So this is on binomial theorem. So you know how to find out terms as well. You know how to expand it, which we are good about. Okay. One more. Let me see. Okay, we are good with this, right? Okay. Okay. Correct assignment. Second one. Okay. I think we are good with this. Okay. Slant asymptotes we covered, but we can cover more, do more as well. But let's see. Translations I can revise. Let me see, because I felt like I didn't cover it fully last week. So why don't I try this one? Remember, we covered some transformation of functions last week, right? So let's go ahead and see where we are. Okay, now there is a function. Let me erase all of this. See, I want to do function modeling as well. Let me see. First, let's revise this, see where we are. Last week, I feel like we didn't go in depth. I would really like to see how you do. Given a graph f has a domain of -2 to 4. I have a graph f of x. It has a domain of -2, 4. If you didn't understand, you can ask me. Range of -1, 8. Okay, now I'm going to transform this function minus f of x plus 3 plus 5. Minus f of x plus 3 plus 5. Can you tell me the domain and range of g of x? Oh, wow. Vibha, I don't know. How did you get that? It's a mode left by 3. Then it's a reflection on you. Okay, let's see. Vibha, that doesn't seem right, Vibha. Can I help, guys, or where are we? Please let me know, guys. So it is a, first of all, tell me what is the transformation?
It's left 3
3
up 4 or
Yeah,
up 5.
left 3 and then
Up 5.
up 5 and then main 3. First one is what?
Oh, I didn't see it. I didn't see the vertical reflection of it.
Exactly, it is a reflection on the
X-axis.
x-axis. So your y coordinate negates. If there is a y coordinate, that negates.
Oh,
Your y coordinate negates.
Can you show it once on the board when you get the
Yeah,
chance?
I'm going to, Ma. Looks like you didn't meaning. I was looking at whether I was checking her answer. I'm going to do it on the board. So now, basically, see guys, here, this is, see, I would go with this, okay, please. That also, I don't know, Vibha, whether that is right. Hi, Mama. Hi, Da. Good job, Da. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, now domain and range for the transform function. You know what? I would write out the transform function very clearly. Okay, first there is a reflection on x-axis, correct, guys? Left by 3 and then up by 5. Okay, when we are clear with this, right? Reflection on the x-axis means it affects which coordinate. Think about this. You have a point here. If it is reflected on the x-axis, let's say this is 1, 2. If it is reflected on the x-axis, what happens? This becomes 1, -2. Do you see it? The y coordinate negates. If there is a reflection on the y-axis, your x coordinate negates. Please remember that, okay? Now, let's write down. Reflection on the x-axis is going to affect y coordinate. Left by 3 is going to affect the x coordinate. Up by 5 is going to affect the y coordinate. Now, this is going to affect the domain. This is going to affect the range. This is going to affect the range. Any questions? Any questions still here? Amma, please, any questions still here? You're only 4 of you. Why don't you tell me?
no.
Okay, now the domain is affected by what? 2 different things. It's so easy if you understand and do. See, domain is going to be affected only by left by 3 means, I'll put it in a different color. -3. So it's going to be like this. It's going to go left by 3, right? So it's going to become -1. 2, 4. Did I give you 2, 4? Let me quickly check what I gave you and what was in there. Okay, -2, 4 I gave you, right? What did I give you? -2, 4. Oh, okay. I have written it as, okay, that's okay. So the domain is going to be 2, 4 means you're going to -3, it's going to be -1, 1. Did you guys get it? So this will be the domain of g of x domain. Any questions?
No.
Now, this is done. We are done with this. Okay. How will the range change? Because of the other 2, right? How are they going to change? Reflection on the x-axis means your y coordinate first negates. Your y coordinate negates means it becomes this. After that, up by 5, right? Up by 5 means it becomes 6, -3. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yep.
What did we have? 1 -1, 8 we had. So basically, it was reflected on the x-axis. So your y coordinate negated and then up by 5. Mm-hmm. Flips vertically correct. So it was multiplied by a minus 1. So it was negated. Minus 1 comma 8 became 1 comma minus 8. And then 5 was added to both. Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Let's try. Yeah, I just want to make sure we were doing it correct. Can I try one more problem with you guys?
Mhm.
So you should be able to transform, give the domain and range of transformed function. That's the best part of this transformation in pre-calc. To this level, we did not study in algebra 2. So this is something new which you will learn this week, I think, in school. How about this? There's a graph which has a domain minus 5 comma 3 and a range minus 4 comma 8. The transformed function is just f of x plus 5. It's an easy one. What is the new domain and range? It is an easy one. It's not as hard as the previous one. I'll give you one another. See, first, please don't change the order. Order is important, guys. Any reflection comes first. Then the multiplication. Multiplication means stretching horizontally and vertically. That comes, and then you'll have the translations. Remember that always. See, sometimes the answer key feels incorrect as well.
Oh, sorry.
My good job, Vibha. I need to see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I just gave you that plus 5, right? So, Vibha, that the domain feels incorrect, Vibha. Did I give it to you wrongly? Hold on. No, I didn't give it to you wrongly. But the domain feels incorrect, Vibha. Why?
Oh, I added instead of subtracting because it's like left, right?
Ah, you
It's
added, huh?
-10 and -2, yeah.
But even if you add, right, Vibha,
Hmm?
you didn't change the starting value of the domain, right?
Mm,
See,
no.
domain means it's all the x values, right? Every value should change, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right, Vibha. Correct, Vibha, that is right. Can I help Nidhi, Ahana, Yashita? Yeah, correct, ma. One request, Ahana, don't change the parenthesis, square brackets and all.
Oh, and next time I should put my answer in brackets?
Whatever brackets is given there, because that will be, you will get your points docked if you don't follow whatever is given, right?
Oh, I didn't see that there were difference. I'll do that next time.
No worries. It's just a note to you to take care of it in school. Yashita, where are we, Yashita? You don't have your video on, and I have no idea what you're up to.
Sorry, my camera isn't working today.
Okay, but I need your answer, that's all.
Okay. Can you do it? I'm confused.
Sure, I can do it on the board. So this has a domain of this, right? This has a range of this, right? Nidhi, did you send, ma? You're also stuck?
Oh no, I was in the bathroom, so I didn't.
The transform function just moves to the left by 5. Left by 5 means what it affects? It affects only the x. So the range doesn't change at all. Okay, this is the range of g of x. This is the range. For g of x, that is the range. What is the domain? I need to move left by 5 means minus 5 minus 5. So minus 10 comma minus 2. Does it make sense? Yashita? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sure. I don't like it. Okay. Now let me go ahead and ask you this. I really want you guys a little difficult one. Hold on, guys. One difficult problem I'll give you. Okay, after that we'll move on. I want to discuss something similar. See, but the thing is, wait, I want to give you one more. Let's see. That has to have a multiplication, right? If it doesn't have multiplication, then it does not making sense to. Oh, we are working on only translations. Oh, okay. We are only working on translations. Okay, that's why everything feels easy. How about this? I'll give you this. Okay, next we'll go to step by step we'll go. I think this is a little difficult, right? How about this? Given the graph, a function has a domain of minus 2 comma 5 and a range of minus 2 comma 8. Go ahead and do for the transform function. Transform, there's a lot of transformation here. We are only working on reflections and translations. We are not working on multiplication yet. We are not working on compression and stretches yet. Done? Vibha. No, Vibha. There is a problem, Vibha. Vibha, there is a problem, Vibha.
I did the same thing again for the domain.
What is it, ma?
I did the same thing again for the domain. I forgot to switch it to
Oh, no
subtract.
problem. Do it and get it to me again. As long as you understand, I don't have a problem. At school, you remember and do. Do it again. Nidhi, Ahana, if you need help, immediately ask. Don't postpone. What happened?
I got it. I'm just working on.
Yeah, if you're not understanding to ask, ma.
What is my new answer, right?
Yeah, for the range as well, ma. Domain is now correct. The range the slightly it's incorrect.
Really?
Domain now is correct. See what should I do it on the board or wait, Amma? Please, Nidhi, Ahana, Yashita.
Can you wait for like
Yes.
1 minute? I'm almost
Yes.
done.
Sure, sure. I'll just write out the verbal description in the meantime. Reflection on x-axis.
Wait,
Left,
I don't understand how the range is wrong.
we'll see, ma. Left by 2. And then there's this minor mistake only. Left by 2 and then down by 5. Okay, I'll write like this, then it becomes easy for me. Ahana, that's right, Amma. Domain is correct. Reflection on the x-axis will affect the y-axis. Left by 2 will affect the x-axis. Down by 5 will affect y. So now, Domain of g of x. Correct, my Ashita. I think you guys get it. Nidhi, are you getting it?
Can you like work it out?
Sure, ma. I'll work it out. Oh, minus. Ayyo, Ahana. The range for both, all of you seems incorrect. Maybe the key is wrong. Why don't we sit and try? I feel like it. Okay. Very rarely the key also gets it wrong. So let's see. Range of whatever key I have may be wrong. Let's see.
Auntie, I made a typo in my first answer.
Yes, ma. The range only is the problem, Yashita.
Mm.
Minus 13, comma 3 seems correct to me. Minus. Range. Yashita. Can we look at your domain seems correct. Range, I don't know, ma. Maybe the answer key is incorrect. I don't know. Let's see. Domain, we'll see. Domain is only affected by this, right? So the already existing domain is what? Minus 2, comma 5, right? Left by 2 means minus 2, minus 2. So that becomes minus 4, comma 3. And my, this is not changing. Any questions? Range of g of x, when you think about it, right? Range of g of x is affected by these two. What was the original range? Minus 2, comma 8. So first you needed to flip it. I don't know whether you flipped it. And then down by 5 means minus 5, right? So minus 3, minus 13. Do you guys get it?
I made a math error. I fixed it earlier.
We already was that.
Why is it given as minus 13, minus 3? I'm a little off. One second, guys. I'm going to check, okay? 1 second. Minus, okay, I have the problem on the board here, so why don't we do it again? Minus 2, comma 8. That becomes what? What changes? The reflection on the x-axis. The reflection on the x-axis means y-coordinate changes. Y-coordinate negates. And then I know why. Okay, guys. Okay. You should not write range like this, right? You should not write range like this, right? Which is the lowest? Minus 13, comma 3. Please be careful, guys. You got it?
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Oh.
Yeah, it's a very minor one, but we need to be careful. See, when you do this, right? When you do the transformations, the lowest and the highest should be in order. You got it?
Yeah.
Clear, huh?
For both the domain and range, it has to be like
It should always, yeah. That is a rule, ma. Domain and range, you should write in the lowest to highest order. Okay, now I go back to one of the previous questions and I give that to you again. Wait, let me see where I picked it from. I don't know. I want to cover one that was resolved already. Wait, there also the same issue happened. I did not honestly notice that. So I really want you to redo that. Let me see. I just found it. So here, let's see. This one, come on, redo. Let me see. This one, it was okay, meaning in the sense, go ahead and try this one. What is the domain and range? I can write reflection on x-axis, sorry. Then left 3, up 5. So this will be y, x, y. This is for g of x. So basically, what should I do? Minus 2, comma 4 was given. So now x-axis left 3 means what? Domain means first I need to negate it. And then up 5 is -6 minus 3 becomes. See, this is what I said. So you need to remember lowest to highest. Okay. This one I missed out when I told you the answer last time when we did. So I came back. Okay. Can we move on? Nidhi, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I think I understood it better now.
You want to do one more or can I move on?
One more would be good.
Say this one. Oh yeah, like this I never did. Okay. Okay, how about this, ma? How about this? I can give you one more. I'll give you one more, but why don't you try this one? See, once you understand the concept, right? Whatever, however they give the problem, you can manage it. Nidhi, what is that? Oh, okay. I see. I see. I think it was my bad. Wow, nice, Nidhi. This one is easy for you.
Yeah, I think I remember something like this from like algebra 2.
Last week, no? We did it last week, right? One table, one other, one we did, I think.
I think so. I don't really remember.
Yeah, okay. So this looks easy on you guys. Okay, that's good. Ahana, Yashita, do you want me to do?
Yeah, I'm having trouble. Could you work this one on the board?
Sure. See here. Okay. So basically, I'm just going to substitute minus f of x means the entire thing is going to be negated. You got it? Plus you're going to add a 5. So minus x cube minus 2x square plus 5. Did you get it, Ahana?
Oh, that's it. I
Huh?
got there, but I thought we were supposed to find x.
That's all. Yashita, is it easy?
Yeah, we were doing this in algebra too.
That's what I'm saying. It's that's
Yeah,
what
this is what the last test was over.
Oh, see, this pre-calc is a lot of review of algebra too. Okay, but let's see this one. Okay, how about this? Would you be able to do this one? With this, I'm not going to do any more of this type, ma. Okay. And the domain and range where you were struggling a little bit, right? That we'll do one more. After this, I'm not going to do any problem this type. We'll go to table. And then graph. Graph, I did not get you. Graph, table, we'll see. Go ahead. You guys get it? Only one of you did it. Amma, please, Ahana, I wanted to be simplified. I
Okay.
want it to be simplified. Go ahead. Ahana, can you simplify and send?
Hey, Auntie, I have a question. For
Yeah, go.
this one, yeah, I forgot how to do the, what's it called? The horizontal, like,
No, here, Seema, f of x is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Nidhi, did you do? G of x is first what you need to do. You have to, wherever you have the x, right, you're going to substitute it as x minus 2. That's all.
oh, okay, that's what I was trying to do, but I was like confused. I was trying to make sure that was the right.
And then that is f of x minus 2. And then you
Yeah,
have
I
to
knew that add 5, right?
Yeah. Now you should go ahead with minus 4x plus 1.
Mhm.
3x plus 6 plus 6.
Oh,
Square
Mm.
minus 8. It's going to be a little big. You got it?
yeah, I get it. Thanks, Auntie. Can we do one more like this?
Yeah, sure. Aniti, did you get it? Nidhi, did you get them all?
Oh, yeah, I didn't know how to do like the horizontal transformation, but it makes sense now that you solved it.
So 2x square minus 11x plus 20. Correct, ma. That's correct. I just wanted to make sure it's right. Can we move on? Okay, you wanted to do one more of this, huh? Okay, we are just extending. That's okay. At the end of it, you have to get it. Okay, so you need a one more of a complicated one now. Let's see. I don't know which one is complicated here. Yeah, this one is good. How about this? See, but this one is easy. You wanted a complicated one, right? Okay, wait. Give me a minute. This one. No. I don't have other one here. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, you can try this one. Yeah, try this one. This one seems easy though. But let me see. I don't have the solution straight up. Let me see. How about this? Ahana, you'll have to simplify it, right, ma'am?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Something feels wrong. I don't know what, but I can check. This one. Vibha, that doesn't seem right. Nidhi, that seems right to me.
Yeah.
Nidhi, that seems right to me. But Vibha, that seems incorrect. Can I show? Ahana, don't see the board. You can do for yourself.
Can
And
you solve it real quick?
okay. Plus 2 means wherever you have x, you're going to substitute x plus 2. That's all, right?
Wait, Auntie, I forgot to multiply. Wait,
Yeah, you're
wait,
being careless.
wait. I see the wrong answer again.
I
Wait,
got into, sorry. I got into the part where we substituted it in. I just had trouble with expanding it, but it makes sense now. Thank you.
Ma, don't forget these 3 things, ma, wherever you go. This is so important from algebra. They're all in pre-calc, so you cannot afford to forget these. And then these. See, this is your base. Don't forget these 3, even in sleep. Yashita, you got it? Can I move on? Yashita. Yashita. Okay, now I really need you to do a graph and then a table and then I move on, okay? Let's see this one. A table, a graph, and then dilations. All we need to complete today. Let's see. Okay, let's see this one. We need to do today. One table, one graph is the main thing for me. Let me see. How about this? Okay, we'll do this, guys. How about this? Can we do this? I would like to see the shape of the graph. Can we do it? Can we do this? So basically, it's a reflection on the x-axis and left by 3. Reflection on the x-axis and left by 3. So first you'll do the reflection. Can I do it or you want to try?
Can we try?
Yeah. You want, you can do it on the board. Feel free to.
Do you want me to do it on the board, Auntie?
Yeah, you want to do or I want to do? Oh, yeah, I should do.
Can I try?
Yeah, please.
Okay, so
You
first
can
you
try it on the board, I feel.
first you start off by like, making the points like this,
Mhm.
this, this, this. You just like mark it down first, so you know like what you have to translate.
Mhm.
And then so first is -3, comma, -2.
Oh, you want to go by points? Okay.
Yeah, because it's easier to draw it, right?
Fine, fine.
-2, comma, 1.
What? How are you doing?
I'm writing all the points out, and then like you like put the specific reflections to each,
Oh, okay. So you're going to go by point by point. Okay, fine.
and 0,
Each
comma.
of us may think of it differently.
Oh, are we not supposed to do it like this?
Let's go ahead, Ma. I think of it in a different way. Fine. I mean, I just want to know your way and I'll go your way. Once you understand, you can go through any method.
Yeah. Okay. This is what I think our teacher taught us.
That's fine. This is fine. Go ahead.
And then so first you have the reflection over the x-axis, so you have to do it for all of these points. So you just have to add 0. That doesn't matter. Minus, minus, and then you have to add this, which is -3. So this
Okay, let
would
me show it my way. Let me see whether I get the same points. See what I do? First, I reflect it on the x-axis, right? So I'll do it this way. You see what I mean?
oh yeah.
But see, we all are different, so it's okay. So I did it this way. This is reflection, the x-axis. And then x should be moved left by 3, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then that. Oh, so now the final diagram for me would be like this. So your points are -6, -2. That's 6, 2 is correct. -5, -1 is correct. -3, 0 is correct. And then -1, -1 is correct. And then 0, correct.
Yeah,
You
and like
got it?
yeah.
Did the others understand? She went with the points. She chose the points in the original graph and made them undergo the reflection on the x-axis and left by 3. I went by flipping the graph and then moving it to the left. Both are okay. This is a very methodical way. I like this way. But after doing this, you can check it using the graph flipping. Nidhi, does it make sense? Yashita, does it make sense?
Yep, I get it.
See, once you understand what is going on, right, your brain can think in any way and it would be right. There's no meaning.
Wait, isn't this just like algebra too, though? Isn't this?
I agree, Ashita. That's what I'm saying. They've brought in AP pre-calc. Actually, last year, the pre-calc that we did was much more in depth. Okay, now it has become so easy with functions, I feel. Meaning, there's once you understand how functions work, then it is easy when you think about AP pre-calc because it's just reviewing of algebra 2, I feel. Not even reviewing, but once you understand how these work, right, the transformations, there's nothing to learn. So that's what I feel. AP pre-calc has leveled down, I feel. That's my honest thought. Let's see. But whatever, that's what it is, right? So let's see. But in a way, it's going to give you a 5 GPA, right? Honors calc is going to get you only 4.5. So good for you. But at the same time, I don't know whether we are imbibing more knowledge or going or just grinding the same thing. I have that feeling. Can we try this one? See here, see whatever Vibha did right now for the points, she put in those transformations. The same thing goes here. So I would write down the transformations first, then which coordinates will get affected, I'll write. Okay, anyway, however you want to do, you do. Nice, Nidhi, Vibha. How did you guys get it?
I substituted 0 into the as x, and then I got -2, like f of x of -2, and like you took like
I
-2.
like it. Yes. See, each of us can think differently. Nice. Nidhi, how do you do? Once you understand, there's no correct way.
I did it what Vibha did.
Oh, no. So, Hannah, did you get it, ma? X, they are wanting to substitute 0, right?
You just
So-
want us to give you the equation, right?
Yeah, so minus f of 0 minus 2 plus 1 minus f of minus 2 plus 1. F of minus 2 is a minus 6, right? Plus 1, right? So plus 6 plus 1 is a 7. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Did you guys get it? Can we move on? Now the last one can be graph given, table given, so you all know, but I did not cover dilations at all. Oh my god. Okay, let's try to be quick with this, okay, for dilations. Oh yeah, see, when it comes to dilations, it's going to be a little tricky. I know what is going to make it tricky as well. Let's see. Dilations are a little trickier, and you had a tough time with the equations, right? So let's do the equations first. How about this? If you have problems, I'll do it on the board. Come on. Guys. Remember, ma, the horizontal is half is actually a stretch. See, for this, you don't have to deal with that. But if you're given a graph and all, you need to be careful. Let's see. Mhm. Nidhi was the answer for this one. Nidhi, this one, what you've given me?
Yeah.
Good one. Very nice. So direct substitution seems easier for you, right? The other ones also you got when it came to equation. So why do you want to wait, Nidhi? You can go ahead with something else, I feel. Can I go ahead give you?
Sure.
I just want you to do this one. This was the difficult part that we did. Second question. Whoever did the first question, you can go with the second question. But would you mind? We can go a little faster, guys. So I really want to cover a table as well. Can I help in any of these? I feel like I am sitting just like that. Shall I do any of these?
No, can we solve it?
No,
Yeah,
not
first one, did you solve finish? First one is not hard, I feel. I don't know. Hey, Ahana, first one is hard on you?
I had difficulty with the first one, but I sent the second one.
Yeah, I saw that. That's why I asked you. Okay, no problem. Then let me go ahead and do that for you, I feel.
Is my second one correct?
Correct. Now you got it right, Ahana, how to do the second one. I really am happy. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do the first one for Ahana. The rest of you can do the second one. Vibha and Yashita, what happened to the first one?
I'm working on it right now.
I was almost done solving it.
What, ma?
I'm almost done solving it.
Oh, okay. If it's taking time, definitely you should do the homework and practice so that you can be faster for the school test. Just remember, if it is inside the parenthesis, you have to take the reciprocal. Can I do it on the board?
Can you wait like 2 minutes? I'm almost done.
I forgot. Sorry. Hmm? Do you think I can go ahead with the problem number 1, guys? We are taking too much time, I feel.
Yeah,
Can
can
I
you
go ahead and do? Huh?
can you?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and do. You don't have to see. Okay, we'll compare the answers.
Did
Yes.
you get my answer?
Yeah, Shita, yes, yeah, Shita, that's right. So f of x equal to 2x plus 6 now. We are wanting to find out g of x, but it has gotten a lot of changes, right? F of half of x plus 2 minus 1. So wherever I see x, first change I need to do is change it to x plus 2, right? So basically, first I need to find f of x plus 2. Let me find out f of x plus 2. What is that? 2 times x plus 2 plus 6. So that will be 2x plus 4 plus 6, which is 2x plus 10. So I found this. Okay. Now, what is half of x plus 2? Okay. See here, what I could have done, f of half of x plus 2. So I could have substituted half of x plus 2 instead of the x plus 2. Oh, 1 minute, guys. What did I do? Yeah, I'm on the right one. So I could have substituted everything with half of x plus 2 instead of doing this. So let me go back. I didn't see that. So this is half of x plus 2, right? So let me do that. So here it's direct substitution, right? 2 times half of x plus 2 plus 6. So this is basically x plus 2 plus 6, which is x plus 8. Now basically that is f of half of x plus 2. Now f of half of x plus 2 minus 1. That will be x plus 8 minus 1, x plus 7. Did you guys get it? Vibha, did you get it?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. Yeah, Ashita, did you get it?
Yeah, I got that as my answer, I think.
Okay. The second one, perfect, Vibha. Nidhi, did you get the second one?
No, I kind of want to see it worked out.
Sure, ma'am. So let me go ahead with the second one. Given the graph, f of x is a domain, right? Minus 2 comma 4 is a domain. Range is minus 6 comma 8 is the range, right? So we need to find out the domain and range of g of x. So how is f of x changing? First, let's write down. I told you, right? Verbal description. So there is a horizontal stretch by 2, up by 5. So what is changing? This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. So both domain and range changes. Horizontal stretch by 2 means I'm just going to multiply these. So basically minus 4 comma 8 will be the new domain. Does it make sense, Nidhi? New,
Yeah, I think so.
huh?
Yeah, I think so.
New range is up by 5 means I'm going to add 5, that's all. So minus 1 and 13. Just check whether it's lowest to highest, that's all. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, I really want to do a table and then let you go, please, for dilations. Okay, with that we'll finish. A table. Okay, I need to find a table with this problems, right? So let's see. How about this? This will be the last one, guys. Okay. So once you get this, we can. I think this is easy for you. Table is always easy for all of you, is what I'm thinking. Let's see. Go ahead. Mhm. Abba, that was fast, Vibha. I don't know yet. Oh, wow. You guys are awesome. Hana, there is a problem. Vibha, that's correct, ma. If you're done, meaning you can leave, ma.
Okay, thank you so
See you
much.
next week. Please, I'll post the homework. Do.
Yeah, I'll do it. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma. Bye, ma. Yeah, Ashita, did you finish?
I'm working on it.
Hana, you want to redo and check, or you want me to do on the board?
Can I just run what I did with you?
Yes, absolutely.
So, here in the equation, it's saying find g of 0.
Mm-hmm.
What would you substitute? I substituted negative 12.
You substituted negative 12, correct? Ah,
Would you substitute 0 itself or a different number?
no, right, ma. X is 0. X has been substituted with 0. That goes in the same, meaning the same
Oh.
goes, yeah, I know you forgot here.
So here, if you substitute 0, I can do that right now.
Yeah. So what will be the answer? Nidhi, did you get it?
Yeah, I sent it in already.
Oh, sorry, ma. I did not see. Nidhi, that seems incorrect, Nidhi. Let's see.
Oh wait, it was a sign error. Like I did it like +1.
You did a positive one now.
Yeah, I did one of the signs wrong.
Did
No,
you get
ma,
my
the
answer?
answer is answer. Oh, you also got a -1. Can you guys tell me what you are doing? Because both of you got a -1 seems incorrect. Can you tell me what you guys did?
Okay.
I
Um,
did 0 minus 2 on the inside, and I got
Yeah.
negative 2. And then
Correct.
half times negative 2, which is 1.
-1.
Oh, so the answer would be 2.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, Nidhi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yashita?
yeah.
Okay, so can I stop here?
Yes.
Okay, so
Thank you,
I will
Auntie. Have a good night.
by you too, ma. I'll put up translations, dilations, and binomial theorem.
Oh, wait, Auntie. I'm not in the Google Classroom. I forgot to join. Can I have the code?
Yeah, ma, that is in your welcome email, right?
Oh,
You want me to send it now?
Thank you.
yes,
Bye.
please.
Bye, ma. Bye. Wait.
Or can you give me the code?
Yeah, I'm going to. I'm searching. Wait.
Okay. Sorry, I forgot to join.
No problem. But do the homework. It'll be helpful for both algebra too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Bye, ma.
Bye.
Bye, ma. முடிச்சிட்டேன். ஐயோ இனிமேல எனக்கு ஆபீஸ் தான் பார்க்கணும். என்ன வேலை பண்றது? என்னடா பண்ற நீ? இரு, நான் பார்க்கறேன். எங்கடா robot எங்க?
இங்க இருக்கு நீ மேஜர் போறதுக்கு சொன்ன.
Yeah, be careful, Mom.
கூட்டினே இருக்கேன் காது.
இல்ல, I thought the robot she had it there, so I was very curious to see what robot did she make.
I didn't really make all of it.
And
Grandma's thing to get to the kitchen, but
பச்சடியும்
no, what?
What happened?
Thing isn't properly chopped.
எதுக்குடா நீ கீழ ஒரு பாண்டை கொண்டு வந்திருக்க? என்னடா?
I can't get this thing to properly turn. I want to turn
Properly
this
turn
before.
first hub அது மேல வையம்மா. Hub அது.
இல்லம்மா, இது. It's a secret.
What is the secret?
Let's chat. I'm gonna squeal if you don't.
Good idea.
Shut.
இப்படியா ரெண்டு இதெல்லாம் மோர செல்ஃபி வச்சிருக்கேன் ஃப்ரிட்ஜ்ல.
சும்மா சாப்பிடுறதுக்கு.
அதான் நான் ஏதாவது எடுத்துன்னு போறதுக்கு வசதியா இருக்கும்.
நாளைக்கு எனக்கு இன்னும் ஸ்ட்ராபெரி பேக் போட்டுலான்னு தோணுது நாளைக்கு. ஏன்னா எல்லாத்துக்கும் போக முடியுமா? அது கொள்ளணும் பெற்ற வேலை எடுத்து வைக்கணும்.
ஞாபகம் இருக்கு எனக்கு. ஆனாதான் போக போறீங்களான்னு. ஸ்ட்ராபெரி பேங்க்கு தானே கொள்வாங்க இருக்கா சார்? போறீங்களா போறதுன்னு டிசைட் பண்ணிடுச்சா?
ஒன்னும் டிசைட் பண்ணலப்பா. அந்த இது மட்டும் பார்த்து வச்சிருக்கு. ஐயோ